Morning students, this is Enu Joshi, your English teacher. Now we are starting our poem Little by Little's word meaning. So our first word is hidden. Its meaning is kept out of sight. Like if you find something that is not in your sight, it is invisible, so that is the hidden. Now our second word is slowly. So it means at a slow speed, like if something is in slow speed, so we can say that it is move slowly. Our third word is downward. So it means towards a lower space, like something is going down, so we can say that is it is going downward. The fourth one is slender. It's meaning very thin. When if a girl, a boy are very thin, then we can say that it is he is a slender. Our fifth word is mighty. So it means powerful. Like if you have lots of power, if something has lots of power, so so he is mighty, or it is mighty. Like the elephant. If I'm talking about the elephant, so it is a mighty animal. The sixth one is branches. Like it is a part of the tree. Like you can see on the tree there are many branches in a tree. So the seventh one is pride. Like if somebody is having proud on something, so we can say that it is pride on that particular thing. So our eighth word is improving, to become better. Like if you are doing studies well as before, so we can say that you are improving in your studies. Now ninth word is dew. What is the meaning of dew? A small drops. When you get up early in the morning, you just move out to the garden, then you see a small drops over the plants, over the leaves. So what is that drops of water called? It's called dew. So our ninth word is dew. Now I'm moving to the question answers. Name the tree that the acorn grows into. Like I have already give you full explanation of the poem, and I have already told you what the acorn grows into. It grows into the oak tree. Like you can see here and you can see here, it grows into the oak tree. Now our second question is, what thing does a seed need to grow? What a seed need what a seed need to grow? Like it will need water, air and the sunshine to grow. So there is 3 essentials which a seed even need when it is something about to survive. What is that? Water, air and the sunshine. Our fourth question is, how many describing words you have find in the poem? Like you have already already read your poem. Like it is having 3 describing word. For us, these describing words, like which describe the noun, it is called the describing word. So these 3 words are tiny, the slender and the mighty. And now you all know the meaning of 3 words. Tiny means little, small, slender means very thin, and the mighty means when you're having when you're having a more power. So it is the meaning of that word. So thanks for today. It is enough for the today. Thank you everyone.